It's wild to think about, but my photography journey started over 20 years ago. Yeah, back when phones had buttons, cameras used film, and selfies, well, selfies were just called turning the camera around and hoping for the best. And listen, photography wasn't even on my radar. I was all about music, touring with my band, shredding on guitar, and chasing rock star dreams. But one day, I put the guitar down and picked up a camera, and here we are. Photography went from being a hobby that I didn't take seriously to becoming my biggest passion. Crazy, right? So maybe you just picked up your first camera, or maybe you're eyeing one and debating, do I really need this, or should I keep using my phone? Well, both are valid options, but today I'm breaking down how to start your photography journey in 2025 without losing your mind or your wallet. First things first, your phone is already an amazing starting point. Yeah, that little rectangle that's in your pocket is basically a camera with a side hustle as a texting device. If you're not sure whether photography is for you, start here. No shame in that game. But if you're itching to hold something more serious, well, I'd recommend starting with something like this, like the Canon EOS-R. It's a little older, but it's reliable, it's affordable, and it'll make you feel like you know what you're doing, even if you're still leaving the lens cap on. You want to know the secret to getting better at photography? Actually going out and taking photos. Mind-blowing, right? Watching 100 YouTube videos won't make you a pro. It will, however, teach you a lot about the technical side, but you need to get outside. You need to mess up shots and learn from those mistakes. Also, try not to pigeonhole yourself. Shoot everything. Portraits, landscapes, food, cars, buildings, a random plant on your desk, just shoot. This way, when a cafe owner hires you for food photography and then suddenly asks, hey, can you snap a real estate photo of the place? You won't freeze up like Windows 98. You should also find your people. Shooting solo is great, but you know what's even better? Shooting with your friends. Other photographers will push you to see things differently, try new angles, and probably make fun of your obsession with shooting in f1.8. And if you're thinking, I don't know any other photographers, welcome to 2025, my friend. Slide into those DMs on Instagram or on Facebook. It's practically a dating app for creators. Just be cool about it. Don't message like, hey, want to shoot? Be specific. Hey, I saw your cityscape shots. You want to collaborate on something next weekend? Boom, instant connection. Now, if you just want to keep photography as a hobby, stop here, go out, shoot, have fun, enjoy the ride. But if you're thinking, how can I make money doing this? Well, let's chat. There are two main paths. Client work, where you get paid for your skills, or building a social media audience that supports you. Now, you can do both, but start focusing on one. If you're all about the social media, get consistent with posting and engage like your life depends on it. If it's client work, start small. Family portraits, local businesses, weddings, and build from there. Want me to dive into this business side in a future video? Let me know in the comments, because I could talk about that all day. At the end of the day, photography just isn't about taking pretty pictures. It's about seeing the world differently, meeting amazing people, and telling stories, whether you're just starting out or you've been doing it for years. Remember this one important thing. It's supposed to be fun, so enjoy it. So go take some shots, mess up, learn, and then come back here for more tips. Anyway, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom preset pack, featuring 13 presets that I use for all my photos for only $10. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll catch you later.